How to fix Lavenderbeard error in Sea of Thieves on Windows 10. If you just could not play the Sea of Thieves game due to the Lavenderbeard error, try these tips. 1. Follow that error message and try connecting to the game server later. Maybe there were server-side issues. 2. Check your firewall settings and make sure that your firewall and / or any other security-related items is allowing SOT to access the web fast. Hint: allow the SOT app through the Windows Defender firewall. 3. Check if you were using any proxy or VPN. If so, disable such a connection and you might try some proxy server instead. Moreover, for advanced players, you should also, 3.1. Check your network management / manipulation tools, check web traffic / file downloader / alike. 3.2 Try configuring disabling your network in router temporarily as well. 4. For Xbox users only, back up your personal data, then hard set your device. For more assistance, go Xbox forums and / or contact Xbox support.